but you're going to get a transition line between the flat and where it's
the bottom. The top is out. If I hold it on the top, the bottom's out.
We're both working on something different.
I got a number 1. Number 1. But the price to make one is like insane with the Damascus and everything.
Today I don't want them at all.
You're anodizing now?
We're gonna heat anodize.
Yeah, we're gonna heat anodize these. It's the only way that Moku can go. Otherwise,
over here we got the most light.
I've got the headlamp too.
So what's you're gonna clean it with this acetone here first?
You want to do it right up on top of here, on top of this? Teamwork.
Is it flammable?
Oh yeah, acetone.
Yeah.
Fire brick. Oh.
Okay. You can hit the torch to them, make them like red hot, but they'll cool down almost instantly.
You have a fire extinguisher in here?
Yeah, the sink.
Okay, here goes nothing. You ready?
We're ready.
That thing looks really good.
I think for the most part, whenever we do see Moku Ti, it does tend to be the purple and blue.
Yeah, but
it's probably the most easiest to get. What are you trying to get?
the gold and the gold with the
blue.
Yeah.
Gets good. Oh man, that's cool. I really want to see the detail.